Well, from a bullet casing to notes about flights to Mexico and Colombia, we are learning more now about the evidence collected against the man accused of trying to assassinate President Trump last year. Prosecutors and the FBI presenting evidence from Ryan Routh's SUV that also suggested he may have been living in the vehicle while allegedly planning and plotting murder. NewsNation's Brooke Shafer joins us live from outside the courthouse in Fort Pierce, Florida, as this trial gets ready for a new day of testimony now, Brooke. So what other evidence did prosecutors unveil?
Well, Kelly, the jury yesterday saw a lot of physical evidence as the prosecution here really tries to lay out what they have described as a meticulous plan by Ryan Routh to kill President Trump. The jury was shown a lot of items found in the suspect's car. Things like utility gloves, zip ties, multiple phones, the suspect's passport, license plates, even a handwritten note with information on flights to Mexico and Colombia. An FBI agent also testified there were a bunch of receipts in that car, all from places near Trump's golf course in West Palm Beach. Prosecutors say these receipts help show Routh thought about this for a while. They allege he visited Trump's golf course at least 17 times ahead of the alleged assassination attempt. Now, Routh appeared engaged on Monday in court as he continues to represent himself. We saw him taking notes throughout the day, but he still hasn't objected. In fact, the judge even objected, I guess, on his behalf, you could say, at least 5 times on Monday.
What we've seen in recent days and during the past day of trial is a judge who's now interjecting herself a little bit more, making objections, making sure that the prosecution is staying within the confines of what types of questions should be asked, how the evidence should be coming in, to make the record cleaner when it goes up to the Court of Appeals.
Kelly, this trial was slated to last 3.5 weeks, but as you and I have said, things are moving quickly. We talked to a court official out here yesterday who said some of these witnesses are being called days ahead of schedule. The prosecution says it could rest by Thursday. Ryan Routh could call his first witness by Friday. Kelly?
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.